Which of the following types of plaits is formed by folding the fabric in opposite directions, resulting in a zigzag pattern? Answer: accordion plait. Next question. Which of the following types of plaits is characterized by small, narrow fold facing in the same direction? Answer: knife plate. Next. What is the recommended distance between two parallel lines of stitching for creating pin tucks? Answer: 1 by 8 inch. Next. Which fabric is not suitable for creating tucks? Answer: D. Fleece. Next question. What is a placket in garment construction? Answer: C. An opening or slit in a garment. Next. What is the primary function of a sleeve placket? Answer: option D. To provide a closure for the sleeve. Next question. Which sleeve is designed to appear as a continuous line from the neck to the wrist, often used in athletic wear for its freedom of movement and ease of seeing? Answer: A. Raglan sleeve. Next. Which sleeve style is identified by its fullness at the wrist, often gathered into a cuff, creating a billowy effect at the lower part of the sleeve? Answer: B. Bell sleeve. Next, in garment construction, what is the primary purpose of the collar stand in a shirt collar? Answer: B. To provide structure and support, allowing the collar to stand up. Next, when constructing a collar, the under collar is typically cut. Answer: smaller than the upper collar to prevent rolling. Next, if any three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel are used in the color scheme is? Answer: B. Analogous color scheme. Next, what is the other name of color? Answer: D. Hue. Next, identify the warm colors. Answer: B. Red, orange, yellow. Next question. What are the secondary colors? Answer: green, violet, orange. Next, what is the lightest values of a color? Answer: A. Tints. Next question. Which information is not necessary on a pattern? Answer: D. Color. Next question. How many pattern pieces are consisting of a bodies? Answer: B. 5. Next, which tool is used to transfer lines or symbols from one pattern to another, or from final pattern to muslin or other fabric? Answer: A. Tracing wheel. Next question. What is the name of highest point on the bust? Answer: B. Apex. Next, which pattern is used for developing styles by slashing and manipulating? Answer: C. Working patterns. Next, which is not a hand knitted pattern stitch? Answer: huckleback stitch. Next, which technique for reducing the number of stitches for the hand knitting project becomes narrower? Answer: C. Decreasing. Next, which stitch is used to make different patterns combined with purl stitch in hand knitting? Answer: A. Knit stitch. Next, in hand knitting, plain knitting is also known as? Answer: A. Garter stitch. Next, which technique is to forming the first row of stitches on a knitting needle? Answer: D. Casting on. Next question. A diamond shaped fabric piece is joined at the underarm to permit greater movement. Answer C. Gazette. Next question. What is the width of the skirt at hemline? Answer B. Sweep. Next question. Term used to describe the yarn direction of a fabric. Answer A. Grain. Next. What is the amount of extra material that extends beyond the stitching line? Answer A. Seam allowance. Next. What is the edge of the fabric that is not stitched or finished? Answer D. Raw edge. Next. Which constitutional amendment gave right to the Parliament to amend the fundamental rights? Answer 24th Amendment. Next. Which of the following statement is not correct about equinoxes? Answer C. Equinoxes happens on June 21st and December 22. Next. When is National Voters' Day celebrated in India? Answer 25th January. Next. Where was India's first national museum opened? Answer A. Mumbai. Next. Consider the following statements regarding Lok Sabha. Which of them is not correct? Answer D. Speaker is the leader of Lok Sabha. Next. Which of the below Indian states pin code starts with 2? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. Next. R/21 matrix M vaccine is developed for prevention of which disease? Answer A. Malaria. Next. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Grand Slam title in tennis? Answer D. Sania Mirza. Next question. Who has received 58th Jnanavid Award 2023? Answer Jagadguru Ramabhadracharya. Next question. Who is the present CEO of Niti Aayog? Answer A. B.V.R. Subramaniam. Question. Recently, which state government has reserved 33% of government jobs for women? Answer C. Karnataka. Next. Adani Green Energy Limited has signed a 20-year power purchase agreement with which country? Answer A. Sri Lanka. Next question. Where has the 10th phase of Sagar Parikrama started? Answer A. Chennai Port. Next question. Who has been appointed by UNICEF India as its national ambassador? Answer C. Kareena Kapoor. Next. Who has launched India's first AI-enabled income tax filing mobile app? Answer D. EZ-Tax. Next question. Who called Sri Narayana Guru as the second Buddha? Option B. G. Shankarakurupu. Next. Consider the following social reformers and their organizations. Which of them is correctly matched? Answer B. 1 and 2. Ayyangali Sadhujana Parivalana Sangham, Vaikunta Swamigal Samatva Samajam. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct about Temple Entry Proclamation? Answer D. Nehru called the proclamation the great wonder of modern times. Next question. Consider the following statement about Vaikam Satyagraha. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer option 1 and 4. A Vaikam Satyagraha began on April 30, 1924. Mahatma Gandhi visited Vaikam. Last question. Jadi Kummi is a famous work of. Answer option A. Pandit Karpan.